Good evening, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. I will be sharing with you the benefits of horseradish for your skin and hair. Horseradish is a plant that is frequently used as a condiment, and its roots are an effective home remedy for many ailments. As a result, in addition to the cooking benefits of horseradish, we should acknowledge its health and beauty ones as well. Horseradish is a powerful and pungent plant, connected to a wide variety of health benefits, including its ability to aid in weight loss, lower blood pressure, alleviate respiratory conditions, build strong bones, improve the immune system, stimulate healthy digestion, and promote heart health. In addition, horseradish also has the ability to improve your skin and hair. Not many people are aware of how beneficial it is. For this reason, I am pleased to share this information with you. Firstly, regarding the benefits of horseradish for the skin. We cannot deny that this ingredient is a natural treatment for the skin discoloration caused by the overproduction of melanin as well as ceroid in the skin. This is the main reason for the appearance of age spots. Horseradish helps in lightening the skin in a natural way. For this remedy, make a mixture of apple cider vinegar and horseradish, and keep it in a jar with a tight lid. Shake the jar every day. After 2 weeks, dip a cotton ball in it and apply on the skin. This remedy is also good for treating freckles, and has great healing power as well. Horseradish also helps to reduce blemishes. To remedy blemishes, blackheads, and acne, grate horseradish and combine it with buttermilk and glycerin. Let the mixture sit overnight and strain. Apply the mixture daily to blemishes, blackheads, and acne. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Horseradish contributes to improving the circulation to your scalp, in turn helping to regenerate the hair roots. It is very easy to apply this remedy. You can prepare a poultice from fresh horseradish by grating the root and placing it on a small piece of cotton cloth. Tie the cloth and then rub it on the scalp. You should do this several times a week before shampooing. In addition, a combination of horseradish and vinegar could be a great natural treatment for dandruff as well. Horseradish is rich in antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that fight against harmful dandruff quite effectively. Apple cider vinegar contains malic acid that works great against dandruff and opens up clogged pores. Horseradish can be an effective remedy for your beauty, just as much as it is for your health. I hope that you have found this video useful and informative. Also, please share it with others. Thank you so much for watching. Good day and good health.